Okay, today's April the 7th, and we have the gang here all getting their playtime with Kathy. Let's see if I can find another angle. I guess I could go in. No, if I go in there, my ankles will get all bit up. Oh, here I go. I'm going to sacrifice my ankles.
Hey, I'm busy over here.
Yeah, they're distracted with you.
Hey.
There they are.
Hey, Mia.
Man, they got crazy. They go, oh, Mia. Mia's lost her voice. She cries day and night. There's Mia. She cries day and night when she's in the crate.
Ow! Not the hair.
She does not like the crate. She and Riku are the two criers.
Robin.
Everybody else is pretty mellow with it.
Look at little Robin.
Where's Robin? There's Robin!
You won't even look at you crazy. That's Aries.
Uh-oh. Aries is over in the background crying. This is that Pico? Or Pikachu? I can't see the color.
That's Pico.
Where? There's Pico. There's Pico. And there's Pikachu attacking my ankle.
Ow! Ow!
Oh, Pikachu.
Ow! Hey, put your on my pants. Ow! 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 Why? Why?
Oh, it's havoc in here. And it's super early in the morning.
Hey!
Yeah. Yep, they're getting all the love they want.
Hey!
There's Mia.
Mia! Ow! Robin, you're psycho.
And we have brought Cleo in.
You're just chewing on my pants.
Cleo is, I think,
Hi,
pregnant,
Pico.
or she just
Hi,
put on a
Pico.
whole bunch of
Hi,
weight.
Pico. Hi, Pico. Ow! Don't bite my face.
There's Pico.
Don't bite my face.
And when you pick up Pico, you gotta watch your face, family, because
Oh, God.
that dog is too affectionate.
Hello, Pikachu.
And there's Pikachu.
Hi, Pikachu.
Yeah.
Reminds me of like...
Ow, somebody's biting my ankle.
Hey, that's Pico. Pico and...
And Hugo.
Hugo.
Ow.
Hey.
Hugo.
Hey, come here. Come here.
That's Rocky.
Robin.
Nope, that's
it's
Robin.
Just Robin's.
Robin's back to you every time.
Hi, Robin.
Somebody needs to adopt Robin.
Here we
He
go.
wants lots of love and ow. Ow.
Hey,
Who's got my ankle now?
Rocky.
Rocky. It's not
Rocky,
Rocky, it's still
Rocky and
Hugo.
Rocky on one, you on the other. Well, hi,
There, he heard
Riku.
his name.
Hi, Riku.
Hey, that's Riku. Riku. We always get the last syllable messed
Oh,
up.
you're crazy.
With Pico, Riku.
You're crazy, Riku. Yes, you are. Yeah, that's a Pikachu.
That is
That's
Riku again.
Just keep coming back. I keep putting him down, he keeps coming back forward. Yeah.
Oh, look at these guys.
Pikachu.
There's Rocky and Robin. There's Rocky. Hey, there's Rocky. Oh, too late.
Hey.
And there's Hugo.
Come here,
Hugo's
Rocky.
trying to play with
Come here,
Cleo.
Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Yeah, that's Rocky.
Hugo, leave Cleo alone.
Oh, he's trying to
And
get out.
look at Mia. I can't believe this. She screams all day about
Mia,
being in the crate,
Mia.
and then she wants to go over to
Come
the
here.
crate.
Come here, Mia. She knows her name.
Oh yeah, she knows her name real well. Did you see that?
Yeah, you do.
She's the
Yeah,
big
she's
cuddler.
my little lover.
She's the cuddler.
Lovely baby. Yes, you are.
She's also the tiniest of all 7. And Hugo,
Ow!
right here,
No,
is a
bite.
close second.
Hey, sweetie.
We'll watch and see if you can see the size difference.
Put
Yep.
her next to Pico. Where's Pico? Ow!
there's Pico.
There's her and there's Pico.
Look at that size difference.
You too.
It's funny because they're sisters.
Yeah?
They're both from Cinnamon.
Pico's from Cinnamon?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. No,
it's-
Pico's not the sister.
Pikachu is.
Pikachu's the sister right
Hey,
there.
Mia, come here.
There's Pikachu.
Where's Pikachu?
Right here by my foot. There.
Pikachu! Come here, Pikachu!
There she goes. Look at
Yes.
that. See, they all know their names.
See, she's a little bit bigger.
Let me see. Let me go put them downward. There we go.
See, she's
Yeah.
behind and.
Ouch. Okay,
Yeah,
that's it. I can't take it
Mia,
anymore.
come here.